Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you will have to open settings, then enter general management section, then go to the Samsung keyboard, then go to the languages and types, and then tap manage input languages. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can type on the device. You have downloaded languages. You can also download all other languages which you don't have downloaded on your device. But I'll just select one of the downloaded. Let's select, for example, maybe Greek language. And now let's try to write down something in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.